Hi there, great you're watching. I'm going to play Beat the Champ, and the champ this time would be me. So let's see if I can make some good plays here. You played, or you could have played the same boards, and let's see how the boards went with me. So partner opens one diamond, overcall of two no trump, which shows clubs and hearts. Here I've got a bit of a problem. Normally I would bid three clubs here, showing diamonds. Diamonds. Support and diamonds, invitational or better. So that's good. So right hand opponent of me promises two suits. So normally the lowest suit would be the lowest invitational or better. So this time in diamonds. Partner will have a minimum. And I've got too much of a hand to pass this, so I'll bid 3 no. But it's always good. You see, partner opens a suit, right hand opponent promises 2, so the lowest is invitational or better for the lowest suit, and the highest is invitational or better with the highest suit. And the highest suit would be spades here. So let's do 3 no. And let's hope for the best. So let's hope they don't fight the best lead. This is really interesting. Well, for me. So East promises hearts and clubs, and West decides to lead a spade. Okay. Well, East has 5-5, so lots is known. So a few tricks here. So let's hope I get 2 spade tricks. Jack to the ace. So okay. So East has only 1 or 2 spades. I think only 1, otherwise he would duck the spade. So I know he's got 2 diamonds. And 5-5 in clubs and hearts, so there should be some throw-in possible. And I'm going to try that in clubs. So, okay, let's play. I can cash the spades, I think, because there will be no risk. West will get into the board, so let's do it like this. The ace, and just the queen of spades, just to be sure how the spades are divided. I'm almost sure, but this is a different story. So now I'm sure East only has 1 diamond, so it makes it a bit more relaxed. Thinking how to play this. So only 1 diamond in East. But I want to have an entry in my hand with the ace of diamonds. So I'm now thinking just to begin with a diamond to the jack. Then I can end in my hand, which is, I think, better. Otherwise I would play a diamond, so... Well, let's take a small risk of a diamond to the jack. This is good. So let's play the king of spades. I can discard a diamond. Now play the queen of clubs. Well, this is really a fun hand. So everything is known, so diamond to the ace, and let's play the 8 of clubs. What does matter? So East can collect his Club normally, wow. I will play a small one. The queen. So the rest of the trick. So I think a nice one was a throw in, and it's mostly easy because you know how the suits are divided. So that was a nice board one. 14 counts, I will open one diamond. Just not good enough for 1-0 trump. 1 heart, I will bet 2 hearts, supporting my partner. And 2 hearts it is. So a more quiet contract. Let's see. Okay, ace of spades. Where I don't have as much information as the last board. Not really some troubling thing. So I'll miss 1 spade, 1 diamond, 1 club and 1 heart. If suits are a bit friendly, well, okay, another ace. Take your aces and... Alright. So let's play hearts as fast as I can to not get any trumps. But now I think the diamond will be there. Yeah, we'll get a rough. Well, could not prevent this. But not so bad. Oh, from the long suit, so nothing the matter. Playing club club, so I can rough another club. And collect the tricks. Okay, 2 hearts just made. Let's go to the next board. Okay, normal opening with 1 diamond. Good enough for 2 diamonds. So with 3 hearts I would normally do a support double. I think the system also does this with 3 hearts, but I don't. So just a normal 2 diamond bid. 2 spades passed to me. So this is where you have to decide, do you want to bid 3 diamonds or don't you? Well, let's be adventurous and let's bid 3 diamonds. Just because I can. It's a bit tricky, but, well, I don't know. I'm missing 1 diamond, 2 spades and 1 heart, so seems alright. Well, yeah. So with no crazy stuff, it will be just made. Spades, spades. Sure, take the heart trick. Oh, don't. Okay. Diamond for the bad guys. Let's rough that one and I will make the rest of the tricks. So just made. But how much do we make against spades? We make, well, maybe just made or 1 down. So a normal result. Board 4. 17 counts. Well, I don't think I'm strong enough for double and then rebidding my hearts, because my hearts are not really very solid. So I'm just taking the route of bidding 2 hearts, and after that, if they bid 2 spades or something, I will bid 3 diamonds. 2 spades. So this is a good hand normally. With heart fit. So this is fit in hearts. So I think with this system. Normally I will bid 3 diamonds to keep the bidding going, but with this robot it just bids hard support and it's all over. Right-hand opponent open, so I will finesse the hearts. The queen. Maybe could have played the 10, but well, let's play safety first. Oh, that's good. Now I'm making too many tricks. I didn't dare with the computer to do any more interesting things, so I will just claim 12 tricks for 4 hearts plus 1. So maybe you found the slam. Maybe if you start with double you have a chance, but it's rarely when they open you can get to slam, but this time I could. Maybe a bit lazy bidding by me, but with the robot, often I just want to make sure I will be in the safe contract. Okay. 14 counts, 1 spade, well, it's all good. Missing 1 spade, 3 hearts, 1 club, 2 diamonds. Well, let's see. I'm only in 1 spade, so I just want to make 1 extra trick than the opponent. So the ace of hearts, small king. I want them to play, of course. Well, the ace of spades to get some information. So the 10 and the 6. Let's just play a heart. Let them play. Let's see what happens. Sure, enjoy. Now there will be a club. Yeah. I'm a disbeliever now of the queen of being good. Ah. I can rough or over rough. Doesn't matter. King. Also wrong. So, well, this is the worst contract I played. 2 down. Could have made more tricks, but this is it. And now I'll make the last 2. So it was a nice few boards. Only the last board I won too much down, I think. You can click on results to see what happened here. You see, oh, here it said 5. I think I can make 1 more. But well, this is it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed to play against the champ. I loved it, and see you next time on Bridge Champ. Bye bye.